So this is question from GATE 2019 electronics branch. So it says that two identical copper wires W1 and W2 placed in parallel carry currents I and 2I respectively. So this is copper wire W1 and this is copper wire W2. They are placed in parallel and they carry currents I and 2I respectively. So current through W1 is I and current through W2 is 2I. And the currents are in opposite directions. The currents are in opposite directions. Now the two wires are separated by a distance of 4r. So this is the total distance is 4r between the two wires. So we have to find the magnetic field B vector between the wires at a distance r from W1. We have to find the magnetic field B vector between wires at a distance r from W1. So we have to find the magnetic field at a distance r from W1. So if this distance is r from W1, then this distance from W2 is equal to 3r, because the total distance between both the wires is 4r. So options given are mu naught I upon 2 pi r, 6 mu naught I upon 5 pi r, 5 mu naught I upon 6 pi r, and mu naught square I square upon 2 pi r square. So we have to find the value of magnetic flux density. B vector is called the magnetic flux density, and it is equal to mu naught into H, where H is the magnetic field intensity. The magnetic flux density is equal to mu naught into H, where H is the magnetic field intensity. Now if the magnetic field always adds up, magnetic field always adds up when there are two wires carrying currents. So the magnetic field will always add up in the center. So these are two wires, W1 and W2 are two wires carrying current. So magnetic field in the center will always add up. So B vector will be equal to, and we have to only find the magnitude of the magnetic flux densities. So it will be equal to mu naught H1 plus mu naught H2, where H1 is the magnetic field because of the first current carrying wire and H2 is the magnetic field because of the second current carrying wire. So it will be equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi r, because the current by the first wire is I and the distance is r, and it will be equal to mu naught, the current carried by the second wire is 2I, so it will be equal to mu naught into 2I upon 2 pi, and the distance is 3r. From this point the distance is 3r. So it will be equal to mu naught 2I upon 2 pi 3r. So if we take the LCM, then the answer will be 5 mu naught I upon 6 pi r. 5 mu naught I upon 6 pi r. This will be the answer. 5 mu naught I upon 6 pi r. So this was a very easy question. Just we have to remember that the magnetic field always adds up in the center. We have to find the magnetic field in the center. These two are the W1 and W2 are two current carrying wires, and we have to find the magnetic field in the center at a distance r from W1 and at a distance 3r from W2. So the magnetic field will always add up. So we added both the magnetic fields, mu naught I upon 2 pi r and mu naught 2I upon 2 pi into 3r. So the correct answer will be 5 mu naught I upon 6 pi r. So the correct option is option C. So this was very easy question from GATE 2019, and I have solved many other GATE questions as well in the most simplest and step-by-step detailed solutions. I have solved many GATE questions in the most step and most detailed step-by-step solutions, and in very easy steps. So you can refer to those questions as well. I will give the link of the playlist in the description of this video. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel and share your feedback also. So these previous year GATE questions are very important. The previous year GATE questions are very important if you are attempting GATE 2022. Then solve previous year questions of last GATE exams as well. So thank you and best of luck.